Introducing Basicong, Ficus botryocarpa of the family Moraceae. Basicong exhibits a magnificent form characterized by its large leathery leaves that can reach 15 centimeters in length and have a glossy surface. Basicong plays a vital role in its ecosystem, serving as a keystone species. Its fig fruits are a primary food source for various birds, bats, insects, and mammals, facilitating seed dispersal across the landscape. The tree also provides shelter and nesting sites, contributing to the biodiversity of its native habitat. Moreover, the presence of a healthy fig tree population supports the intricate web of life in tropical environments. In addition to its ecological benefits, Basicong has traditional uses among local communities. The tree's fruit can be eaten as a sweet delicacy, although it is more commonly consumed by wildlife.